Friends, we are living in times when so many of our leaders and people across the social media are trying to convince us that the only fitting response to an act of hate and terror is revenge, and revenge with violence. Uh, Violence is not directed even at the people who committed that act of terror, but against a whole country. Uh, we're being told also in these times that the only way you can prove that you love your religion is to hate other religions. And the only way you can love your country is by hating other countries. And I think the time, this is a time when we all need to stand up and say no. The only response, the only fitting response to hate is love. And in fact, the victims of the terror attack in Pahalgam in Kashmir, their response was really one of love. They'd lost their loved ones, and yet they spoke about there should be no hate, there should be no revenge. And they showed us the way. The people of Kashmir, the way they took care of the tourists who were fleeing in fear, they showed us the way. But I was, I was seeing this video of this very brave young boy from Bihar, who to a very aggressive anchor, sort of TV camera, was saying India Zindabad or Pakistan bhi Zindabad. And the anchor was sort of bullying him and saying, shouldn't you be ashamed of saying this? And he held his ground. He said, why should I wish ill? I wish well for the people of my country. I wish well for the people of Pakistan as well. I wish well for the people of the whole world.
वहाँ भी आदमी है, यहाँ भी आदमी है, वहाँ भी मुस्लिम है, वहाँ भी हिंदू है, यहाँ भी हिंदू है, सब तो है इंसान। तो क्यों सबको खत्म करना है? पहले ये बता, क्यों करना? सबको जिंदगी जीने का हक है, सबको हक है, तो क्यों खत्म करना?
And where is that humanism, that wisdom that we heard in people like Rabindranath Tagore, for instance, or Gandhi ji? That my love for my religion teaches me to respect every religion, and I can be opposed to say, as an Indian, I may be opposed to the government of Pakistan. I can be opposed to the army of Pakistan, especially if I believe that they are sheltering terrorists. But I wish the people of Pakistan well. I wish them peace, and I wish my own country, people peace. And so let us stand up against voices that are encouraging us to hate, to seek blind revenge for acts of hate, and find other ways of resisting acts of hate by our love and our kindness and our belief in peace and our goodwill for all of humankind.